Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use flower frogs. Start by selecting a frog that fits your vase and supports stem weight. Trim stems to desired length. Remove excess leaves below the waterline. Place frog in vase and add water. Insert stems one at a time for balanced spacing. Adjust angles for visual flow. Change water every few days to keep arrangements fresh and prevent buildup. Gather tools and materials before you begin to make arranging smooth and enjoyable. Use sharp scissors, a clean vase, and your chosen flower frog. Prepare fresh water and floral preservative if available. Remove damaged petals and excess foliage so stems sit well in the frog. Lay out flowers by height and texture to plan layers. Work from largest blooms to fillers for a natural composition. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth is a smart, readable guide about money that pairs surprisingly well with intentional hobby spending like flower arranging. It helped me prioritize small investments in tools and quality materials. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start arranging by anchoring focal flowers in the frog, then add secondary blooms and fillers around them. Tilt stems subtly to create movement and avoid symmetry that looks forced. Use odd numbers of blooms for a pleasing composition and vary textures to add interest. Step back periodically to check balance and adjust spacing as needed. Finish by topping up water and trimming any stems that extend awkwardly beyond the vase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.